Dear students, welcome to the next lecture of organic chemistry. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about electron displacement effects. What are electron displacement effects? Those effects are which involve bonding electron displacements either taking place inherently in a molecule or brought under the influence of an attacking reagent. And the important electron displacement effects are inductive effect, electromeric effect, mesomeric effect, and hyperconjugation. We have discussed about inductive effect in the previous lecture. Now let us discuss about electromeric effect. What is electromeric effect? Electromeric effect or E effect is defined as a temporary effect involving the complete transfer of a shared pair of pi electrons of a double bond or a triple bond in a molecule to one of the bonded atoms at the demand of an attacking reagent. In electromeric effect, there should be a pi bond, and in the presence of an attacking reagent, there is a temporary shift which is complete transfer of a shared pair of electrons to one of the atoms sharing the double bond. There are two forms of electromeric effect, positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect. The direction of the electromeric shift is determined by the electronegativities of the atom and the electron withdrawing or electron donating tendencies of the attaching group. Thus, there are two types of electromeric effects, positive electromeric effect and negative electromeric effect. If the electromeric shift of the pi electrons of a multiple bond is towards that atom to which the reagent gets attached, it is called positive electromeric effect or plus E effect. This effect takes place when an electrophile is attacking the multiple bond. The electromeric attack of H plus to the pi bond of ethylene is shown here. The electron pair of the pi bond shift towards the carbon to which H plus is attached, and the reaction yields ethyl cation. As the double bond shifts towards the carbon to which H plus is attached, this carbon gains a negative charge and this carbon gains a positive charge. And when H plus attacks this carbon, it will yield CH3, CH2 plus ethyl cation. Thus, in a positive electromeric effect or plus E effect, the attacking reagent is an electrophile and the electromeric shift of pi electrons of the multiple bond is towards the atom to which the reagent gets attached. Next is negative electromeric effect. In negative electromeric effect, the electromeric shift of the pi electrons of the multiple bond is away from the atom to which the reagent gets attached. This happens when the attacking reagent is a nucleophile. The addition of Cn minus to carbonyl bond is shown here. The Cn minus plus acetaldehyde giving a tetrahedral intermediate. In this, when Cn minus reagent is attacking the carbonyl group, CO group, the electron pair shifts towards oxygen. Oxygen gains a negative charge and carbon gains a positive charge, and when Cn minus attacks this center, the negative charge of the Cn minus and the positive charge of the carbon neutralizes, forming a tetrahedral intermediate. The reaction is shown here. Nucleophile cyanide Cn minus is generated from HCN and it attacks the pi bond of carbonyl group, forming a tetrahedral intermediate. This on protonation gives the cyanohydrin of the corresponding aldehyde. Here acetaldehyde, in this example acetaldehyde plus Cn minus giving the tetrahedral intermediate yielding acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Now let us compare the inductive and electromeric effects. What is inductive effect? Inductive effect refers to the partial displacement of sigma bonding electrons in a polar bond that is transmitted along the carbon chain. Whereas in electromeric effect, there is a complete shift of pi bonding electron pair of a multiple bond to one of the atoms joining the bond in the presence of a suitable reagent. Inductive effect is a permanent effect that operates in organic compounds, whereas electromeric effect is a temporary effect. Inductive effect requires the presence of a polar bond, whereas in the electromeric effect it requires the presence of a multiple bond. Electromeric effects takes place in the presence of an electrophilic or nucleophilic reagent, whereas in inductive effect there is no need for a reagent. These are the comparison of inductive and electromeric effects. In the next lecture, we will continue with the next electron displacement effect, that is mesomeric effect. Thank you.